Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm currently completing my field placement at a public middle school. I work with a variety of different students with different behavioral needs. The thing that I most enjoy about this placement is the collaboration. All of the staff really collaborates, specifically the social workers and counselors. We meet monthly with all district social workers, so there's about 8 of us. And then we also meet with our special ed director with the social workers. And then we also, additionally to that, meet with just the district social workers that are in the current district I'm with weekly. So we have a lot of opportunities to talk amongst ourselves, come up with ideas, share experiences, get feedback. And I just think that part of the placement is so helpful and educational. The challenge that I'm currently experiencing is that I am currently remote, fully remote. So learning to engage the students via video has been really a learning curve, and really just understanding what kind of activities we can do, how I can get them to stay engaged. There's so many distractions for them when they're either at home or at school. It's just more difficult doing it virtually. So I think I've really learned a lot. I'm getting better at it. It's definitely going to be something I'm going to be chatting about in our peer-to-peer conversations this semester. One of the things that I've learned about myself for this field experience. That's a tough one. I think probably the biggest thing I've learned about myself is that I can be a confident person. I've always tended to describe myself as shy and a little less confident in my skills. This particular field experience, I felt really empowered. My supervisor really gives me a lot of space to make decisions and to speak in meetings, to advocate for students on my own, and it's really built my confidence and made me feel like I'm capable and I have knowledge. That's been really, really big for me, just being able to really be part of this district and feel like what I have to say and what I have for input really means a lot and is helpful to the district. Overall, I think this placement has been wonderful. I'll be really sad to leave it. It's just given me a lot of great experience. I look forward to our last semester. Thanks.